You guys are not going to want to miss this massive Shiba Inu update. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. Of course, in today's video, we are talking about Shiba Inu. But at first, if you guys haven't already, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, too, if you guys want to pick up a free stock with public.com and start trading Shiba Inu on their platform as well, you guys can hit the second link down in the description below. Again, public.com is a social investing network app for investing in both the stock market and the crypto markets. You can also follow us on there and see our personal portfolios, what we're buying, what we're selling, and of course, all of our live actions in all the different markets in real time. Plus, of course, when you use our link, you guys get a free stock that also could be worth all the way up to $70, guys. So again, it's a great deal. You guys really should take advantage of it. And of course, we love Public. We personally use it, and it's something that we really enjoy as well. As you can see here, guys, let's get into Shiba Inu and a little bit of analysis on what's going on recently. And of course, today we're up just about 10% on the day, guys, over the last 24 hours. Which is just beautiful. Like, we love this movement. This movement is absolutely beautiful, and it's something that I think the whole community has been really waiting on and really excited for to see us push forward. As you can see, the overall cryptocurrency market is doing very, very well today. Most of the major cap coins are up almost 14 to even 10 to 13% in some of these other categories, while other coins are up about 3 to 4%. So again, the overall market is moving very nicely heading into this weekend. Well, not really heading into the weekend. It's only, Wednesday today, I believe. So again, in the middle of the week, still doing very well and still looking really great as well. This is what I want to talk about here today, though. We do have some Shiba Inu related news as far as an exchange listing goes, right? We love a good exchange listing. In my opinion, I love it when Shib is just more accessible, right? And at the end of the day, that is what the exchange listings for Shiba Inu basically guarantee. So let's read a little bit about this and see what's going on here. Shib, Sol, Luna are now available for margin trading on Huobi or Huobi. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. I really am. Huobi or Huobi. I'm all right. I'm going to just say H. All right. So that way I don't offend anybody and I don't mispronounce it. H. One of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world has announced that Shiba Inu, Terra Luna, and Solana are now available for margin trading. Now you're probably thinking, I thought you said this is an exchange listing. Well, in a way it is. This is a option basically now that you can start basically trading on this exchange for, which is actually a very big deal. Margin trading is very, very popular in the cryptocurrency community. Of course, we see it happen time and time again with larger cap currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But again, there are a lot of traders that I have seen on Twitter, on Reddit, and on just different forums online who have talked about wanting to 3x or potentially up their leverage by a significant amount with some of these smaller cap coins like Shiba Inu, like Solana, and of course Terra Luna in this case. And again, it seems that this exchange, H or Huobi, is answering that call. H global support cross margin and isolated margin and cross margin mode, which was launched by the exchange last December. A position can draw more margin from the total available balance in the corresponding digital currency. In this way, it is possible to offset a losing position in order to avoid a liquidation event. So that's kind of cool. One of the big problems, of course, that we are all familiar with margin is the fact that you really can get liquidated if you're not careful in these markets. Because again, obviously, crypto is a very volatile place. If you are over leveraged into a certain position and that position starts to tank, again, you might have to pay up all of that money that you owe, plus then some that you owe to the exchange in that liquidation event. And of course, getting liquidated is never fun, right? But it is cool that they are providing some kind of, I guess, way to avoid that or avoid that kind of negative outcome, which I think is a very interesting kind of mechanism here that they're kind of referring to. With an isolated margin, as the name suggests, there is a fixed collateral amount. A trader sets aside a certain amount of funds for an individual amount. Only Solana is supported in the aforementioned trading mode. But again, I'm sure they're going to add Shiba Inu in the lot later in the year. But either way, guys, this is a good piece of news overall, and I think that, again, as long as Shib continues to get more and more functionality on all of the different exchanges, I still think that we're going to be in for a very, very cool 2022. Let's get into some of my price analysis, though, guys. I have a lot to talk about here after our, 2 days of just beautiful gains. I want to talk a little bit about the momentum and where we're at currently. So as far as this goes, right, the last week was a bad one, right? We were seeing a lot of red days, unfortunately, time after time. It was just consistently, not delivering on expectations that everybody was hoping for. And I kept hoping and praying that we would go into some type of consolidation period here. Looking at the technicals, it just seemed like that was the only other similar option. There wasn't a lot of bullish momentum towards the upside. A lot of it was, of course, downward momentum towards the downside that you're seeing here. But, of course, even then, right around here, I was like, all right, this is done. After this major pullback right here, I thought, all right, we're going to start consolidating a little bit here, and hopefully we can start obviously curling upwards. Unfortunately, guys, that of course did not happen. We saw a major break towards the downside here at this level right here. And well, the entire cryptocurrency community or the entire Shiba Inu army community kind of threw their hands up and said, hey, what's happening? You know, like everybody was pissed, and I rightfully so. I understand. You know, this was extremely surprising to the entire community, and nobody expected this huge pullback. However, of course, we have here, right? We have these massive gains now in this huge, just beautiful bullish momentum, kind of like, I don't know, to call it time frame, if you will, that kind of lasted for just about a couple of hours here on this day. And now today we are starting out strong with two gigantic green candles towards the upside. A little bit of a red candle here, kind of trying to, it seems, stabilize at this level. If we can get a major bull flag here, it's going to be a very bullish push, probably towards higher resistance levels, somewhere around the 394 or even higher, probably around the 45 to 6. Well, sorry, not the 65.4, around where the Kraken exchange listing actually topped out, around there. This is a major resistance point that the Kraken exchange listing hit, and of course, unfortunately, it did bounce off of that and bounce back to the downside in a significant way. Now, keeping all this in mind, guys, I still am very bullish about Shiba Inu for the short-term future. I think December is a unfortunately sucky month, but we are starting to turn things around, right? The overall cryptocurrency market is doing very well. Shiba Inu has now had 2 days of gains in a row, 2 days of double-digit gains, which I think is a really good sign that we might be returning to some type of bullish sentiment with this coin overall. If anything, it helps at least me be a little bit more confident that, hey, we're now breaking past or breaking back up towards these previous resistance levels that we saw here. And as long as we can consolidate within this kind of range of prices and then set up the next major rally that we saw, like similar to this one, I think we're going to be just fine. But again, I think that's more of a 2022 thing, in my opinion. I don't think that we're going to experience that in a meaningful way, at least in this December. I think this December is still a little bit slow to grow. I think we're still going to have you know, a little bit of setbacks and roadblocks here and there, but I still think that we have a lot of potential going into 2022 and beyond. Guys, if you haven't already, you guys need to check out our Discord. We have, as you can see here, added more tiers to make it even more accessible to all of you guys. Again, we have partner, associate, and analyst. We have all kinds of different levels of, I guess, tiers that you can support us at if you guys want to join our private Discord. Again, guys, it's super affordable, and we're trying to get as many people in here as possible, and I really think that you guys can take advantage of this and be a part of the amazing community that we provide on here. Again, it's a place where we talk about really exclusive private Shiba Inu news that we do not talk about on our YouTube or anywhere else. We also talk about Zach and I's personal crypto plays, personal stock plays, what we're doing, what we're selling, what we're buying, you know, and just we try to cover everything. We try to help you guys, because at the end of the day, we want to create a community of like-minded individuals who all have the same goal of course, becoming wealthy and rich and escaping the 9 to 5 at the end of the day. That's the main goal, guys. So if that sounds interesting to you guys, if you guys want to be a part of that community, again, you guys need to join up, and you guys need to check out these new tiers that we added that are very affordable, and I think that you guys will really enjoy. Other than that, guys, though, make sure to, of course, like this video. Make sure to subscribe. Also, if you guys haven't already, hit the link down in the description below for public.com if you guys want to pick up a free stock there. Again, great brokerage app that Zach and I personally use. Plus, of course, they sponsor this channel, so that's another plus as well. And, of course, too, guys, make sure you guys hit the notification bell. We're posting all the time, every single day, and I don't want you guys to miss any of the exclusive news as far as Shiba Inu is concerned that we post on this channel. But, again, if you want even more exclusive news that we post on a day-to-day or even minute-to-minute, hour-to-hour basis, you guys got to check out the Discord. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.